Welcome back to our channel, Tech Enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting review of the HP 2024 Portable 15-foot HD Micro-Edge IPS Laptop in the stunning Dale Red finish. Whether you're looking for a reliable work companion or a versatile entertainment device, this laptop has got you covered. Stay tuned as we dive into its impressive features, performance capabilities, and why it might just be the perfect laptop for you. Let's start with the unboxing. The HP 2024 comes in a sleek, sturdy box that ensures your laptop arrives safely. Inside, you'll find the laptop itself, a power adapter, user manuals, and a warranty card. The first thing you'll notice is the beautiful Dale Red color that gives this laptop a distinctive and stylish look. The Micro-Edge IPS display is truly a standout feature. With a 15-foot HD screen, you get vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for watching videos, editing photos, or working on creative projects. The HP 2024 boasts a premium design with a durable build quality. The chassis feels solid and well-constructed, ensuring it can withstand daily use. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, with good key travel and responsiveness, making long typing sessions a breeze. Connectivity is another strong point. The laptop includes multiple USB ports, an HDMI port for easy connection to external displays, and an audio jack for your headphones or speakers. This versatility makes it ideal for both work and play. Under the hood, the HP 2024 is powered by an Intel Pentium processor with speeds up to 3.68 GHz, paired with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. This laptop can handle multitasking with ease. Whether you're browsing the web, working on documents, or streaming videos, the performance remains smooth and responsive. With a 128 GB SSD, you get ultra-fast boot times and quick file transfers. The SSD not only enhances speed but also contributes to the laptop's overall reliability and efficiency. The 15-foot HD Micro-Edge IPS display delivers stunning visuals. Colors are vivid and true to life, thanks to the IPS technology. This makes it perfect for creative professionals who need accurate color reproduction for their projects. Watching movies or playing games is also a delight on this crisp and clear display. Staying connected is crucial, and the HP 2024 makes it easy with its ultra-fast 6th Gen Wi-Fi. Video calls are clear and lag-free, thanks to the high-quality integrated webcam. Whether you're attending online meetings or catching up with friends and family, you can do so with confidence. The HP 2024 comes pre-installed with Windows 11, Microsoft's latest operating system. Windows 11 brings a host of new features, including a redesigned start menu, improved multitasking capabilities, and enhanced security. The user experience is smooth and intuitive, making it easy to navigate and get things done efficiently. Portability is a key factor for any laptop, and the HP 2024 excels in this area. It's lightweight and slim, making it easy to carry around wherever you go. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 8 hours on a single charge. Whether you're working remotely or traveling, this laptop won't let you down. In conclusion, the HP 2024 Portable 15-foot HD Micro-Edge IPS Laptop in Dale Red is a fantastic choice for anyone in need of a reliable, stylish, and high-performing laptop. With its powerful Intel Pentium processor, ample RAM, and fast SSD, it handles everyday tasks with ease. The stunning display, robust connectivity options, and sleek design make it a versatile device for both work and play. Thank you for watching our review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the HP 2024 or if you have any questions. Until next time, happy tech exploring!